Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a massive political shakeup in Bangladesh that's causing waves worldwide. The country's election commission has just suspended the registration of the Awami League, ousting former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's party from the upcoming elections. So, why is this happening? Well, it all kicked off after the interim government, led by Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus, banned all Awami League activities under the Anti-Terrorism Act. They cited national security threats and ongoing war crimes investigations against the party's top brass. This investigation is linked to the deaths of hundreds of protesters. Now let's rewind a bit. Sheikh Hasina, who has been a dominant figure in Bangladeshi politics, won a fourth term in the 2024 elections. However, that victory was marred by controversy. The main opposition boycotted the polls, and Hasina's term was plagued by allegations of human rights abuses and the suppression of dissent. The unrest reached a boiling point in July 2024 with student protests against job quotas. These protests quickly escalated into violent clashes, becoming one of the deadliest periods of political violence since Bangladesh's independence in 1971. Amidst the chaos, Hasina fled to India in August 2024. Enter Muhammad Yunus. He took charge as the head of the interim government, promising reforms and a delay in national elections until 2026. Yunus, who isn't affiliated with any political party, has made it clear that he has no intentions of running for office. But not everyone is on board with this timeline. Political parties, including the Bangladesh Nationalist Party, demand early elections and a return to a democratically elected government. Meanwhile, the newly formed National Citizen Party, which emerged from the 2024 uprisings, insists on elections only after significant reforms are implemented. This suspension of the Awami League's registration is a massive blow to a party that has been central to Bangladesh's political landscape for decades. Founded in 1949, the Awami League led the country's liberation war in 1971. However, in recent years, the party has faced growing criticism over authoritarian practices, corruption, and human rights violations under Hasina's leadership. The Election Commission's directive doesn't just stop the Awami League from contesting elections, it also prohibits all political activities by the party and its affiliates. This includes publications, media appearances, online campaigns, and public gatherings until the International Crimes Tribunal concludes its proceedings. In summary, Bangladesh is at a critical juncture. The suspension of the Awami League marks a significant shift as the country grapples with its political future. The interim government's actions and the upcoming reforms will undoubtedly shape the nation's path forward. That's it for today, folks. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.